Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the zero lag EMA indicator. But first I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested 248 indicators, and out of those 248 indicators, 96 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 96 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today we will be testing the zero lag EMA indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Okay, the zero lag EMA, pretty simple. Here on screen, it is basically the exponential moving average with no lag. It is set on a 30 period, and we are going to test it when price action breaks above. We are going to go long. When price action breaks below, we are going to go short. So like I said, pretty simple, just like we've done all the rest. Let's go ahead and start the testing process and see what we can get out of it. All right, so we were not quite into the year right there, but we were right here. We pick up a long right there, and that one does pretty well. Definitely gets us to take profit. Go ahead and continue on here. We get a short right there on that one. It's actually right here on this candle, and it looks like, yep, that one got us to take profit as well. It never breaks up above right here. It gets really close, but not quite. We get a break and a close above right here, but almost immediately it turns around, dropping down below, giving us a short signal there, but then again almost immediately crossing back up and closing back up above right here on that one. I believe, let me double check. Yep, that one got us to take profit. So we'll go ahead and continue on here. We get a cross below right here. See, that one is canceled out pretty quick by this one. Crosses up above. Then we get another cross down below right here. That one gets us to take profit, so that one worked out pretty decent. Then a cross back above right there, and that one gets us to take profit. Go ahead and continue on here. Short right there, pretty decent. Long right there, but canceled out by a short on the next candle, and I don't know. Let me double check. Nope. That did not quite get us to take profit on that tail there. Cross back above there on that one. Canceled out by the cross down there. And then the cross back up above there. Canceled out by the cross there. And back up above right there. Not sure what this one's going to do. Finally, that one takes off, getting us to some decent profits. Go ahead and continue on with it here. All right, so we get a cross down right here. It's pretty close on the line, but it's about half and half. So I'm not sure if it would have actually qualified for a cross or not. But we are going to go ahead and say it does, just to be safe. And gets us stopped out pretty quick as it turns almost immediately back up. And crosses, closes up above right there. That one does get us to take profit though. And this one here also getting us to take profit. We get a cross above here. Let's see. That one doesn't quite get us to take profit. And we get a cross down there. Canceled out on the next candle as it breaks up above right there and takes off. That one getting us to a win. We get a break down below right there on that one. You can see that one does pretty good. Takes off to the downside rather quickly without much fuss. Over here on this side, we get a push and break above. That one barely gets us to the take profit. Break down there does not. With a cross and close back above the upside on that one. That one did get us to take profit. Break to the downside there, also getting us to take profit. So it's doing kind of all right. It has its moments, and this is the one thing that I have said multiple times about the single moving average, using it as a baseline. And the reason why I don't particularly like it is the fact that it is so easy for price action to chop you in and out, just one candle after the next, entering and exiting, entering and exiting. It is a vicious cycle and is super frustrating when it happens. Let's see. So we get a cross. This is a little weird when this happens. I've seen this happen numerous times before, and I'll zoom in really close so that way we can take a look at it. Let me move this line off to the side right here. So what we're looking at is this area right here. So it comes up and it barely closes above like half of the candle. So again, I'm not sure if that would actually qualify. And whenever I say qualify, I mean that if I was to set an alert in TradingView that says when price action crosses above the 0 lag EMA, if it would give me the signal, that's what I mean by qualify. That's how I kind of gauge it, because you would set alerts on these so that way you don't necessarily have to go look at these every single day. You can just set alerts, and at the close of this candle, the close of the day, it will tell you if a cross has happened, and at that point you can pull up those particular pairs and you can do further analysis on them to see if they meet the rest of the criteria for you to enter the trade. And so that way every single day you don't have to go to the chart and go through every single pair looking for the baseline cross. But we're going to call that a cross to the upside, and this one a cross to the downside. Again, it's like half and half on the line. But again, we're going to go ahead and call it just to be fair. Get across to the upside here. And that one does not get us to take profit. Ends up coming back down, closing underneath here on this one. That one does get us to take profit there. And this is another one of those strange instances where if you look right here, you can see that this candle right here, I'm not sure if it's a green candle. I don't even know if, let's see, the open was 6919 and the close, oh no, that was a high. The open is 6874, the close is 6875. And so it is just yeah, it just like skips over the line right there. So technically speaking, that would be a cross to the upside. So let's go ahead and mark that one as canceled out by that one. Then a cross right here. Try to hurry up on the rest of these signals because we are getting a little long on the video. But yes, we did get to take profit on that one. We get cross above, take profit on that one. We are darn close to the end of the year, and that is actually the end of the year right there. All right, so there we have it, 0 lag EMA. Let's go ahead and count them up and see what we get out of them. Out of it, I guess I should say. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So we have 37 signals or 37 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 wins. So unfortunately, that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. It did not do better than the standard EMA. I thought maybe it would, but unfortunately it didn't. So it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon, and support the channel the best way you can.